In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hyperlinks and action buttons in PowerPoint 2016. These features can greatly enhance your presentations by making them interactive and engaging. Let's dive right in and go through this process together step by step. First, go ahead and open PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure you have your presentation file ready or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to your presentation and select the specific slide containing the text you want to link. This step is important because we want to make sure the hyperlink is relevant to the content on your slide. With your desired slide open, the next thing you'll want to do is highlight the text that you'd like to turn into a hyperlink. This is just a simple click and drag over the words you wish to link. Highlighting the text ensures that when someone clicks on it during your presentation, they'll be directed to the link you provide. After your text is selected, move your attention to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab in the menu. This tab has all the options you need to make your presentation more dynamic, including adding links. Within the Insert tab, you'll see a button labeled Link. Click on it. This will open a menu where you need to choose Insert Link. Doing this will bring up a new window. Here's where the magic happens. You'll type the URL or the web address you want to link to. Once you've typed in or pasted the link, go ahead and click OK. Congratulations, you've just added a hyperlink to your presentation. Now let's move on to adding an action button. Again, head back to the Insert tab. This is typically where you'll find most of the interactive tools at your disposal. Look for and click on the Shape button, which holds a variety of shape options. You'll need to scroll down a bit until you reach the section specifically for action buttons. Action buttons are preset shapes that can initiate actions like jumping to another slide, playing a previous or next slide, ending a presentation, or even launching a program. Each button provides different functionalities, so choose the action most suited for your needs. For example, if you want to link to another slide in your presentation, select an action button that reflects that function. Once you've decided, click on the action button of your choice. This action will place the button on your slide. A dialog box will then appear, allowing you to configure the specifics of the button's behavior. Make your selections according to what you need the button to do, such as linking to another slide or playing a sound, and then apply the changes. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to add hyperlinks and action buttons to your PowerPoint presentation, making it more interactive and professional. Practice these steps and you'll be a PowerPoint pro in no time. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.